Hi guys, today in this video I'm about to show you guys how to fix Tapswap not opening in my wallet, to fix Tapswap not working. So yeah, let's start video. It's a simple or easy guide if your Tapswap not working on your mobile phone. So what you can do, how you can fix this issue, you can simply tap on settings and go down. Simply you can find Telegram, tap on it, and then what you can do now, you can go Telegram app and clear cache and clear data on your Telegram app, and after you can go Telegram bot Tapswap and open the Tapswap bot in Telegram. After this guide, Telegram bot will be work on your mobile phone. So yeah guys, this is how you can do it. That's it guys, see you in the next video.